How to find out who unfollowed you on Instagram. So if you want to find out who unfollowed you on Instagram, because maybe you followed someone but then maybe you think that they have unfollowed you in return, you can actually find it. Now first of all, what you have to understand here is that Instagram is not going to give you a list of people's names who have unfollowed you but you follow them. So the thing is, you have to put quite in a bit of work yourself in this case, and you have to search for that person's profile. First of all, you want to come to your profile page. Then after that, if you have followed someone, go to your following tab. Once you go to your following tab over here, basically, if you think that someone has unfollowed you, just go to that person's profile. And when you go to that person's profile, you're still following them, right? So all you have to do to find out whether they're following you or not is go to their following tab. And usually if they are following you, your name will show up at the top. But if it is not showing, it means that they have unfollowed you. You can also try to use the search bar manually to search for your name. And as you can see, that person has not yet followed me. My name doesn't show up. So chances are that person might have unfollowed you on Instagram. This way you can actually find out who unfollowed you on Instagram. I hope this video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.